Okay, guys, is it nap time yet? Vegas has had the craziest weather, and I think my client from Seattle brought it with her. Anyway, just kidding. Yeah, it's been rainy and windy and just like great napping weather. How much time do I have till my kids come out of school? 12 minutes. Maybe I'll take a 12-minute nap. Anyway, my client that I have their house listed, someone's called me to schedule a showing, and they're out of town. They're like, no problem, go ahead, through the lockbox. They looked on their camera. Their furniture all is in the pool. Their outdoor furniture is in the pool. So anyway, I hope the agent could see past that. But yeah, pool furniture outside in the pool.